They give it up and they give it up and they give it up, but they never ask why.
Oh, hey there! I didn't even notice you. Today I'm going to be advertising this Rubik's Cube. It's very portable. You can move it around, and you can eat it. Eat it. Eat it. This Rubik's Cube is very portable. You can take it anywhere. Like this. Like this. Like this. Now this Rubik's Cube can do many things. It can walk your dog. It can do your homework. Let's see what people have to say about our product. Okay! This Rubik's Cube can really change your life. It took us years to make this. This is Retarded Max, and remember, your mother is your dad.
Down in Mississippi where the sun beats down from the sky. They give it up and they give it up and they give it up, but they never ask why. Daddy was a rolling